you can add fun stickers and widgets on your Instagram story. So let's jump right into it. First, just open up your Instagram and just go to your stories. Now I'll just click this random picture right here, and there you go. Now the trick in adding fun stories is, the fun stickers is by just tapping the second option right here that's next to the text. And after I just tap on it, I can scroll down. I can just see all the stickers right here. And other than that, I can just even search for it. Let me just search for funny, something like this. And sometimes there are no stickers, but most of the time there are. So as you can see right here, I can add stickers like this. And even more, I can add something else to completely right here. There are fun stickers, there are boring stickers. Just choose your stickers and just add a story, and there you go. That is how you add stickers on your story. So that is how you do it, guys. Thanks for watching. That is all for the video, and take care. Bye bye. Don't forget to subscribe to the video and leave a like below.